Hi guys, it's Sam Eberle again. My fellow researchers and I have been working on our research study testing cognitive functioning after an intervention of resistance training. So we're getting great results. If you remember, we have two groups, one who is solely taking a working memory test and the other who is taking a working memory test as well as doing a little resistance training program that we're putting them through. So that's been great. We look forward to the final results to see if we have any significant difference. But as for now, we've gotten some questions based on what we've done. So the first question had to do with our type of working memory test that we chose. We chose that after talking with three different professors here on the Franklin College campus, two of which were Franklin College exercise science professors, and the other which was a professor who studies neuroscience and psychology. So with that broad horizon and everyone kind of pushing us in that direction, we felt good in that test. Also, we did know that it was validated by the Pebble system. So all in all, that led us to that test. Further, we've done research, and there's not much to look at as far as resistance training and cognitive functioning. There are a lot of cognitive tests that look at Alzheimer's, but we want to focus on resistance training, and therefore we chose this test. The way the test works, if you don't know, there are a series of boxes that pop up with colors in them. That series disappears, and then another series will pop up, have same colors or different colors in them. Your job is to just basically tell, whether it's the same series or a different series. And at the end, we calculate the results, and we compare the results to each time you take a test. So I've been getting great feedback from that, and we look forward to any final numbers. The second question had to do with any outside variables that we could try to track or control. We did track or try to control the amount of sleep our participants had, dietary intakes. These things had to do with the amount of meals people had, any caffeine they might have had, as well as any alcohol. We wanted to know what they had, how much they had, if it was what they usually had, and ultimately, if people don't get enough sleep or they're on caffeine, that does affect our study. So we want to know what they're on so we know if our results are validated, and, it helps for further research as well. A third question would be, if the Dean of Students came to us, regardless of our results, why would our study be important? And ultimately, I believe the Dean of Students has the best interests of the students at heart and the best interests of the college at heart. And regardless of what our results are in the end, our study seeks to help students, help cognitive functioning. And ultimately, like I said, that's what the Dean of Students is interested in. So if he wants to better the students and better the college, he would look into our study and look for ways to promote healthier brain functioning. And then lastly, obviously, what would I do to change the study? I would try to control the variables more. I think that is very difficult to do, a lot more difficult than people realize. And I would make the intensity less difficult. But yeah, very short and sweet. If you have any further questions, please let me know. As I said, look forward to seeing our results and talking to y'all soon. Have a good day.